I have the world's smallest microphone system, and I'm going to show it to you right after this. Hey guys, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech, and I'm taking it to the next level. This is the world's smallest microphone system. It's made by Rode. I have used Rode microphones for really ever since I've started recording, 3 years ago. And they are very reliable, good, but this one really caught my eye because it's very small, compact, wireless, and it's just, the price is even good, $199. It says ultra compact wireless, built-in microphone, 2.4 digital transmission. It's the transceiver and the receiver and the transmitter. It brings windshield, USB cable, and a small pouch. Let's just open it up and see what we got. Okay. I have always had Rode microphones. I've really enjoyed them, and they've never done me wrong. They got good quality. Okay, you got this. Wow, this is really small. All right. In here, it has the instructions. Number one, turn on your transmitter, receiver. Number two, hook it up. Okay. It has a cable, charging, USB-C. Another one, USB-C. I like the fact because it has, wow, look at this. Look at this. Look how small this thing is. Wow. All right, let's lay this right here. This is the receiver, okay? And let's see what we got here. This is the transmitter or the microphone, and it has the microphone. It has a built-in microphone here, and it has a 3.5 millimeter jack that you can use an extra microphone. You kind of plug it in like this or like this, okay? It has a unique system here. It has a quick start guide, which is really a cardboard, all right? And it just gives you the icons, what they mean. It has wind muffs to cover the wind, all right? And it brings two of them. It brings your cable connector that you would put in your camera, and I'm going to show you some examples of this. A pouch, neospring type pouch, really nice, that fits all this together on that, all right? All right, so we'll take this out. Right. Wow, these are small. Wow, these are small. Look at that. Look at this. Unbelievable. They're very small. And it's already paired, and you could even see the, as I'm speaking, the little indicator going up and down on that. You can see the indicator moving up and down as I am speaking because it's already making the connection on that. Unbelievable. And I'm going to show you the different ways that we can put this and also kind of hit some recording on this. All right, so here we go. All right, I'm going to show you some different ways. I got my video camera, my Canon, and some other video on how this actually works with the cable, and you'll also get to hear me speaking. All right. So here we go. Let's take a look here at what's going on. All right. Okay. Now, right now, this is the Rode Link, also made by Rode. It's got this is the receiver, like this one is. This big receiver is linked to this, and it has a shotgun microphone by Rode as well too. This is transmitter, all right? So transmitter, receiver, transmitter, receiver, all right? So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna unplug this. There it is. It's that simple. And then you just plug this in over here. And it's already recording. It's already recording now. You can hear because I'm going with a different recording. I got the pocket, but let me see. You should be able to hear me. All right. So I've taken this one out and I've put this one in. This is the microphone that I'm using right now. I'm not using the boom anymore. I'm using the Rode WirelessGo on that. The Rode Link, these are excellent receivers and transmitters. I use these a lot. They're clip-on, but obviously, as you can tell, they're a little bit bigger. Let's look at another one, all right? This is my camera. Hook this one right here, and there you go. Same principle. This is really small. Let's see if we can put it on a GoPro. So we're going to hook this Rode WirelessGo onto the GoPro, and I have the Hero 7. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the side door out so we can get to the microphone part of it. And then I got this Ulanzi housing that lets me put the microphone adapter to it. All right. So, okay. And basically now I have a full-on GoPro with a microphone and receiver, and it's not a big, big bulky, microphone or anything to that nature that I have. Or if I wanted to just, plug that in, okay? Well, what if I wanted to hook up the WirelessGo microphone system to the DJI Osmo Pocket? How do I make that connection and also be able to use an iPhone or just to that extent, all right? Here and hold this. So stand right there. Okay. Here's the microphone. I'm gonna plug it in. And do we got a good view here? Mm-hmm. Now you're seeing me on the DJI Osmo Pocket with the WirelessGo and I'm wireless. Here's my microphone, and here's the connection. I got a good, solid connection. All right. So here, let me have that. Thank you very much, assistants. All right. And so I just want to give you a good look at the connection that I have going on here. See? The connection that I have going with, and it's not a big bulky connection. If I wanted to put a stand, I got a 3/4 adapter here that I can put either I can a handheld, kind of like this. Okay, I can hook that up on the bottom, or I could put it on a tripod. I'd love this microphone system, and it truly is a small microphone system. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.